Greetings to my beautiful subscribers. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing this channel, kindly support by pressing the subscribe button, and also don't forget to on your notification button so that whenever we drop a new video, you'll be the first person to watch the video. Mo fi àsìkò yìí kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin subscribers wa àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ pé ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ yín rèé tẹ́ máa bá fídíò wa pàdé, ẹ̀yin náà ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ wa láti bá wa subscribe sórí channel yìí. Kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti tan notification button yín ní gbogbo tá a bá ju fídíò sórí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ lè máa ní àǹfààní láti rí fídíò náà wò.
Hello everyone, I'm here for my daddy. He has cancer and is stage 4. Hospital is saying that they cannot treat him again, like they can't give him chemo again. So please, we are not here to beg for money. And I really love to appreciate Senator. Yeah, he has been the one helping us, has been the one putting the bills. It's still, even what I'm here for, Gongo, is that if you can treat my daddy, if you can start chemo for him, whether it's medical or the or herbs, ibile, enjoy to your. My daddy doesn't want to die. Please, I don't want my daddy to die. He's in pain. He's not happy. Please. If you know anybody that can treat him, be like me or medical way, enjoy to roll. Am I giving the guys? Please, I'm begging you, any help, anything, anybody that you know that can treat cancer, please, I'm begging you. That is my kiss swallow. He said, yeah. Please, you can send me a DM or my sister, or even his own DM. My sister will be able to get through to his phone. Please, if you can treat my daddy, please send me a DM. I'll be checking my phone. Please, I don't want my daddy to die. I don't want my daddy to die. Please. God give me this one. There's no money, but if you know anybody that can treat my daddy, Joe, please. He's saying that he doesn't want to die. Please, I've never seen my daddy in that kind of pain before. I'm not even around. Please, Joe, to your love.